Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The answer is that snow might be hazardous, but it does not prevent takeoff or landing. As long as all of these threats can be mitigated, the flight can continue as planned. The primary concerns that accompany it are the threat of icing, reduced visibility and compromised braking distance.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bad weather cancellations. That's because when there's a lot of ice or snow on an airport runway, planes can't safely taxi, take off or land. But even a healthy amount of snow won't keep you grounded indefinitely. Airports have and are trained in the use of equipment that helps clear excess snow off their runways.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Accident statistics suggest that flying by night accounts for about 10% of the general aviation accidents, but 30% of the fatalities. That suggests night flying must be inherently more dangerous than aviating when the sun is up.
Make your mark, take our lead.
De-icing aircraft. De-icing fluid may be sprayed on an airplane before departure to remove any snow or ice built upon the aircraft's flight surfaces. If they remained, they could disrupt the airflow over the flight surfaces.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Danger of the turbulence to passengers and crew. Despite the discomfort and fear it induces, turbulence is a common part of most flights. When turbulence occurs, the risk of losing balance and getting an injury when moving around the cabin increases.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.